Hi, welcome to my channel Tarot Reading with Shaista. Aries, hi. So this is going to be a reading from September 23rd through the 30th. And we shall take a look at your recent past, your current energies, and your immediate future. I will then be closing this reading off by pulling out an oracle card as a message for you from the universe. Okay, please remember that these are general readings, so they may not always resonate with you, all of you, with you or all of you. They could be for you, your person, or even the situation you're in currently. Okay, if you're keen on knowing more and want a more personalized reading from me, please feel free to reach me via email. It's all given in the description box below. Aries. What's going on with Aries? Okay. In your recent past, I see the King of Pentacles, the King of Swords, and the Seven of Pentacles. This is obviously not just a situation, but it's two people we're discussing. This seems to be, I'm not sure if it's a marriage, but it's definitely a relationship you've been in for some time. Both of you as adamant as can be, both have the qualities of strength, truth, both very authoritative. But there's definitely one of you who is a little more demanding, a little more authoritative, and a little dominating from what I see. And it's not been an easy road for either of you, okay? But Aries, you've been having second thoughts for some reason. You of late have been feeling a little disappointed with this decision to be in this relationship, and it has been a hard choice, like the card says, with the Seven of Pentacles. It's not been the easiest journey, okay, whether you've been in this marriage or this relationship with this person. In your current energies, I see Six of Swords, the Emperor, and the Eight of Wands. So I definitely see that things have changed from the past. It was a hard choice then from what we see. It was a difficult phase. But what I can understand is that there has been, over a period of time with the Six of Swords, there has been some kind of a movement forward, moving into a better zone, as in the relationship. I see more clarity that's come into your partner, perhaps because I feel he or she was the more domineering one, or they realized that they were not being fair. And I think that the truth has prevailed. They have realized, there has been self-realization, and I see some kind of a tranquility and clarity going forward. And that's the reason I see here, that you guys are moving forward. Things are moving in the right pace, and they're moving fast with the Eight of Wands. Okay, so things have definitely progressed in the relationship currently. Your overall energy as such has been the Two of Pentacles, which is basically balance. So there has been the right balance now. Though, like I said, in the past, I didn't see quite that. Two difficult or very strong individuals going through a hard time. That's what I saw in the past. The present seems like there is movement, there is adjustment. One realizes what they're going wrong, where they're going wrong. It could be both of you, but I see a clarity that's come into the relationship as such. In the immediate future, I see the Four of Cups, I see the Nine of Swords, and the Ten of Pentacles. So though I see a temporary balance, I see things coming together for the both of you. I also feel that there will be times where you both or one of you will feel a little bored with the relationship, or bored with the way the things are going, or the monotony of the relationship. And they will, I'm not saying it's all going to go away, there's going to be just peace and harmony. There will be a few negative moments, maybe a couple of fights, a couple of tension, a little bit of a tension that could happen between the two of you. But I see that there'll be just the doubts and your fears, which are insecurities coming from within the two of you, because you'll have already been there in a nasty past where things haven't been very great. So don't worry about this, because the end result is the 10 of Pentacles, which is completion, complete happiness and bliss. So I don't really see why you should be worried about anything going forward. It all looks good. At least this coming week looks pretty good, and you guys look like you're in a good state of mind. Okay, so that's that. Let's pull out an oracle card, a message from the universe. Oops, that's popped out. Okay, we'll take that card. Okay, so we have two cards here. These are the messages from the universe for you and yours. Resilience and cleansing. So I think it's a two-way street. You both have to realize that it cannot be just one individual calling the shots. There needs to be, you need two hands to clap, basically. So there has to be a lot of resilience, endurance, a lot of patience on both your sides, especially you, Arian, because we're doing this reading for you. And a lot of cleansing and calming down and taking that space and trying to understand what's really happening in the, in your relationship as such, because the energies aren't bad energies. You guys, definitely there is love between the two of you. There is a lot of harmony, but yes, there's a bitter past, which I wouldn't even call it bitter. It's just been a little bit of not a very smooth journey. You guys have been fighting, both of you, like I said, with strong personalities. So that's where the resilience comes in. You need to show some kind of resilience here. One of you should. Erin, I would suggest you do, because you guys can be quite hot-headed sometimes, which is very much like your zodiac. So that's that for now, and that's what I see for you, Aries. But like I said, going forward, things look like they are moving into a better zone for each one of you, and this week looks good. So stay on and get tuned, and we see you next week. Till then, bye, Aries.